Welcome on board, guys. The Forex trading strategy I am about to show you right now. I was able to make $1,750 profit on the 30-minute chart with a win rate of 47% within 6 months. After backtesting the Forex trading strategy for 100 trades using a win reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Note, this was done to show you why backtesting a trading strategy is super important. Now to the trading view strategy. Yes, now the strategy is very simple and we need just two indicators to make the strategy works. I've already tested this strategy in the past, but this is about a year ago, so I'm going to be retesting it to make sure the strategy still works. If you're watching it for the first time, then you want to pay attention extremely well so that you don't miss any single part of this. Okay, so two strategy we're going to be needing. We're going to be needing the EME that width, and we're going to be setting that on 200. All right, this is just to determine the trend. Okay, we want to use it to determine the trend. I'll be leaving that on blue. Okay, so press OK. So now we have the 200 moving average on the chart. As you can see, this part from this region down to this, we're totally in an uptrend. Okay, down to this part, this was where we had the break, so this was where the trend changed. You don't want to take a trade here, obviously. Okay, that's just one indicator. The second indicator is the bip boop indicator. You can see here this indicator, so I'm going to click on that and put that on the chart. Now I'll go into full screen mode so that you can see it clearly, and I will be able to explain every rules and what you need to do. Okay, so now you can see we have those two indicators on our chart. All right, here on our chart. Okay, here on our chart and ready for us. So we're just going to go in and make use of them. Okay, so the rules are very simple. When the candles, the price, you can call it candle or you call it the price, is above the 200 moving average. As you can see, this is the 200 moving average. So when the candles are above the blue line, we want to only buy because it's an uptrend, and when the candles and the price below the 200 moving average, we want to sell. Okay, so the rules are simple. For me, I'm going to be waiting for two green dots for a buy or two sell dots below the 200 moving average for a sell. Okay, so this would have been my first trade just about a year. Remember, you want to see a clear candle above the 200 moving average if you want to buy. So we had the first green dot, we had the second, and I would have taken my trade just on this third green dot, targeting a 1 to 1.5. All right, targeting a 1 to 1.5. You can use your ATR to set your stop loss, which I totally advise. If you've not seen a video about that, you can search on YouTube for how to use ATR to set your stop loss. If you want me to do a video for you later on, I can do that. But you want to use that and set using this. And all you want to do is to target a 1 to 1.5. So if we do that here, we got our 1 to 1.5 just around here. Okay, so that would have given us, let's check that with our price range, and let's see how many pips would have had here. We're talking about 200, about 285 pips would have gotten on this one, because this is the US 30. Okay, this is the US 30 chart. All right, so would have gotten about 285 pips on this buy. Now you can see going forward in chat, you can see we had two green bars. There was no third one. We had another two green bars, no third one. But then we had two green bars here and we had a third one. All right. So we would have taken that trade for another buy. But unfortunately for us, that trade would have lost just here. Okay. But there's nothing to worry about. You ask me, nothing really to worry about. Nothing to worry about. You can go on and you have two trade. Then let me show you some sell trade. Okay, let me show you some sell trade you would have taken. So here we had the cross, we had the third bar just about here. So if we had targeted that, remember two red, those two red, why we did not take them? Yes, I'm sure you know. price was above the 200 moving average, so we'll not take that. Here again, we saw that price was above the 200 moving average, won't take that. And what then happened, we had cross down, 2 red bars. We take our trade on the 3rd red bar because we had the red bar come up. Okay, so that would have been here, right? Targeting a 1 to 1.5. So targeting a 1 to 1.5, we would have been out of this trade just around here, making us having 2 win trades. Now we have won 2 and lost just 1. Then if we move forward in time again in the chart, we are able to see another valid trade here, 2 red bars, the 3rd bar. So if you've watched this strategy in the past, you'll see that I didn't trade like this before, but now we just want an extra confirmation because you can have 2 red bars and we have white bars as you can see here, but we don't want that. So we want 2 red bars with a follow 3rd red bar, which we had here. So if you're taking that using your ATR to set your stop loss, okay, targeting a 1 to 1.5 on this, so we would have had a 1 to 1.5 here. I'm sure I'm right. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment, but I'm sure this is a 1 to 1.5. So we had that here, so we had another winning trade. So that makes it 3 wins and 1 loss on this one. Then if we move forward again, you can see moving forward, we add another sell trade. I'm doing so many examples for you so that you could understand the strategy properly. Okay, so we had 3 red bars, then we had the 3rd red. We are taking this, trust me, this would have been a loss trade, but never mind. Let's go for another sell trade because we still have the 200 moving average above price. As you can see, we had a quick sell here, which we would have lost that. Okay, if we took that trade, we would have definitely lost that trade also. Okay, would have lost that trade, but then we add 2 red bars again here and would have taken on the 3rd red, targeting using our ATR. ATR would have put us just around this here. I'm super sure about that. And targeting a 1 to 1.5, we would have won that trade. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, so you can see we won that trade. That's how easy this strategy is. It's not complicated. It's a straightforward strategy, a very simple forex trading strategy if you ask me. So if you enjoy this strategy and you want to test it out for yourself, let me know how it goes. I've already tested this for 100 trade like I showed you in the intro, and it was profitable in the long run after 6 months. So you can check it out for yourself. More videos will be coming out. I'll be releasing 2 videos every week from now on. I'm back on the channel. So I'm going to see you on the next one. Stay safe.